come on in and we'll find out.
You have a very trusting voice. I will believe you. I will come in. I am inside. I see your camera. Do I have to pick a door? Is this what this is?
I want to play a game.
Yeah, let's play a game.
You live your life, enjoyment, off of trolling. Time to be trolled. Door number 1 and door number 2.
What about door number 3? Is that an option or no?
Door number 3 is if door number 1 or 2 fucks up. You don't want to go into door number 3.
Okay. Is door number 1 the one I'm looking at?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do door number 1. Oh shit.
That's the guy that picked door number 2.
I'm glad I picked door number 1.
Have a
Can
nice
I
day,
have a
sir.
skull?
Yeah, go for it.
Thank you. You too.
Hello.
I lost it. I didn't get it in time, but it's okay. Have a good day. Thank you for the game.
Bye.
Who are you? What the fuck? It looks like you have another guest here.
Hello, bro. I'm naked. Open door. I'll not do anything. Hello. Hey, bro. Are you here? Where are you? Wait, hey.
Want to play a game?
Hello. What kind of games?
You spend your life full of enjoyment, just trolling. Time to be trolled. Door number 1 or door number 2?
Number 2.
That's my favorite door.
No.
Yo, hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hey. I've been hearing some noises from here. What is happening?
Hello.
Uh,
I want to play a game. Just pick a door, 1 or 2.
1 or 2. Well, what happens if I pick the wrong door?
Well, you see the guy laying there.
Oh, why is there a dead body right? Yeah, I do. Let's pick door 2.
Good choice.
Well, no.